Okay, so this is Beauregard. Adam the Woo named him Beauregard. Got to pay our respects to Mr. Beauregard and say hi. Nice to meet you, sir.
Bye, my dude. Guys, the Penguin Playhouse is right there in Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies. There are penguins right over there for me. But we're not going over there. We're not going into the aquarium. Now it's getting a little bit warmer. Can we talk about how relaxing this is? But there's still more to do on this side of the strip.
And more to eat.
Garage tells you how many spaces are available, so it's not too packed for this Sunday. Well, hello, trolley. If I get tired or if I start hurting, I can take the trolley back to the car. You think I will?
Later, yeah. Ooh, I'm still kind of warm from the moonshine.
The moonshine's still...
It's keeping me warm.
Maybe that's why I was warm.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, it's not so cold out anymore. Time to walk the other side. Do you guys see the snow on the mountain up there? Wow. Here's the mountain mall.
Yeah.
We were just in there. We couldn't figure out how to get upstairs to the 3rd floor. Waffles. Oh my goodness.
This is our cookie butter. So
oh my gosh.
All of the ingredients here are imported from Belgium and France, and then we make the sauces and the whipped creams in-house. We put that on top of a brioche style Belgian waffle that we also make in-house fresh.
I know he's gonna like, oh, thank you. I get my own.
Would you like to try the caramel sauce as well?
That's so good.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
She's so sweet. You guys are called Waffle de Lys. Is that how you say it?
Waffle de Lys.
De Lys. I knew I would say it wrong.
Here it is.
All right, guys, we're being bad. So this is gonna be amazing.
This
I know.
awesome.
We're open for breakfast tomorrow as well.
Awesome. Thank you for everything. I understand that you guys are watching this saying, what are they doing? Everywhere they go, they eat. But we're splitting everything.
This is our pre-lunch dessert.
Appetizer, dessert. All right, so Mikey was kind enough. Since we got his peanut butter cookie dough, the waffle is Nutella, banana, caramelized hazelnuts.
See why you're cutting into that.
I am a Nutella fanatic, and I have not.
You are a
had it in
Nutella
while.
fanatic. You good?
On a cold day?
Yeah.
A warm waffle?
A warm waffle in an alleyway.
Can we take these in?
Yep.
Worth the $10 for sure.
Fresh. Very fresh.
Yeah, the bananas are fresh. Everything's fresh.
Banana's cold.
They are open here for breakfast, a snack, a late night dessert. It's so good. Try it. We enjoyed it very, very much. Here is Pancake Pantry. You can't see that from here, but
Breakfast all day.
breakfast all day. They do serve lunch from 11:30 to closing, which is like, what, 1 p.m.? Something like that. Ready to do some walking.
I'm ready to do some walking.
By the way, the Pancake Pantry line is down to only a few people. I said to Mikey, we should just go get more pancakes while there's no line, because they're always packed.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel. We do have a video coming up separately from when we walked through the village and we tried Donut Fryer and checked out the shops. The chocolate monkey. Everybody talks about the chocolate monkey. Look at the size of these apples, though. It smells like the boardwalk. Walking past the sausage and peppers.
Yep.
Look at the size of these apples. Oh, but that's nice. People like me appreciate that. It's a huge apple. Oh, the nuts. Oh, everything's really pretty. Look, cotton candy truffle. Not getting any candy, we're just browsing. Here's the fudge at the chocolate monkey. Monkey butter. Look at that beauty. Guys, it has pie crust in it. Come to Chocolate Monkey to get your pumpkin with the pie crust. Oh.
You just missed this.
Yeah, about an hour ago.
Really?
Yeah.
I just missed them dipping them, guys.
So tomorrow, if you come about 11 o'clock.
Okay. That's when the dipping happens.
Yeah, you'll see us.
They hand dip all their stuff. They make everything except the ice cream. A company called Ashby's makes the ice cream. I tried the pumpkin pie supreme with the pie crust. They were so friendly. Oh man, it smells so good here at Fanny Farkle's. Let's go see an ogle dog. We've been waiting to see them. They're going in. We will be back for an ogle dog, everybody, don't worry. You can stand right on the side here and eat your ogle dog.
We took 10 steps and we found another chocolate.
Another chocolate monkey.
Yeah. I need something savory.
Yes. It's getting later. We need some lunch. Remember guys, editing is very tricky, so when you see us eating all day, just kidding, we've been eating all day. Byrd's famous cookie. I've been waiting for these. It's cute in here. Look at this. It's got all the history on the wall. We should probably read that so we know what to tell you guys. But we're here for the cookies. Oh, you just like take your own? Pick your box, fill with cookies, and enjoy. That's not bad, $6.95. I don't know how I feel about pumpkin cookies. I know how I feel about cupcake cookies, but there's one we're here for specifically. Do you recall what we wanted? Key lime.
Oh yeah, the key lime cooler, right?
I love the jars.
Yeah, the jars.
Banana pudding dipped grahams, babe. What is that? A campfire?
But it's the crispy,
Rice Krispie treat. There they are. I think they give samples. And you can buy a bag of them. Are we better off just buying a bag of them, man? Wow. All the Rice Krispie treat options. Whoa, s'mores Rice Krispie. Or what is this? Yeah, s'mores Rice Krispie. That looks intense. Oh my gosh, look at the little pies. All right, I'm gonna try the s'mores Rice Krispie sample. The other one was Snickers. They got the Rice Krispie treats. There's the key lime.
Can I try them?
For a long time I've been looking at these and never had them. Oh,
I'm sorry.
we killed the key lime. Thank you. See which one. The key lime is exactly what you're picturing it. Yeah.
savory ones.
Oh wow. These are $6.95 per box. These are like Nilla wafer types,
Yeah.
right?
They're super good.
Are
They're
they?
like buttery.
Oh, they look it.
Classic chocolate chips, right?
Oh, they're crunchy little. Oh, yeah. They do break easily.
We're loading up our box.
Shake it up, baby.
A cool little box.
Uh-oh.
I saw that. I think he did it the wrong way. There you go. Wrong way.
He's a marshmallow because there's Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
Or is it no cookie jar?
He's got a lid on his head.
What was your favorite flavor that we tried?
On our way out, we tried the Georgia Peach, and we got like all these flavors except for Georgia Peach.
That's amazing.
It was so good.
That was.
Yeah.
Oh.
What did I get? Almond?
Almond shortbread.
Almond shortbread. It was like nice and buttery, like a cookies that used to come in the blue tin.
The Danish cookies.
Danish cookies, yeah, the butter ones.
Guys, the sun has made an appearance. I'm very excited that the sun is out. Here's Reagan Terrace Mall. There's the chicken hut.
Do the chicken hut and the chicken guy fight because
Chicken guy is
over
right there.
So do they fight?
chocolate moonshine in here. Look at all these. Look at those. This is the rugged ropes it's called. Oh, there's laser tag. Bumper cars. All right, Reagan Terrace Mall. Thanks for letting us swing by. This is the original fudge shop of the Smoky since 1986. Almost as old as me. Look at that peanut butter pie. Hello, how are you? Good, thanks. Chicken guy, I'm coming for you at some point.
So we've been walking for a couple hours now, building up our appetite.
We need savory in our life.
We think we're ready for something not covered in chocolate or glaze.
Thank God we shared everything because, oh my goodness. Germ, if you're watching this, I remember when you went to the store and you were mad they didn't have flamingos. Sharpshooter upstairs. There's so many random things. I'm good, thank you so much.
Pecan caramel fudge.
How was it? Yeah. There's just funnel cakes and dipped everything everywhere. It smells so wrong, but so right. Oh, the church is up there. That's a really steep hill that Lolly will not be attempting. The Byrd Steakhouse is up there. Crawdaddies. Shamrock's Western Saloon. Can we just look across the street again and say a prayer? Because we're going to be doing that at some point.
That's terrifying.
Will it be beautiful with the Christmas decorations and lights? I hope so. Holy, I don't know, babe. I'm scared.
I am too. I don't want to do it.
But we have to risk
I don't want to do it.
Why not?
I don't want to walk across that bridge.
I'm not scared of the bridge. I'm scared of that. And we're not afraid of heights, guys. The Ripley's Mall.
Up, make it go up, make it go up. Now we can roll up.
We're gonna go back over here in a little while and get our bottle of moonshine. See if we can agree on one because we have our wristbands. I get $10 off. Being from the Jersey Shore, I've never in my life seen more fudge places than on the boardwalk back home. Until we came to Gatlinburg.
And I really want those old Coke lamps they have hanging out. See those?
Those are so Pizza Hut back in the 80s.
Yeah.
The old Coke lamps. Oh, look at this. Is that the same as the other place? Obviously I'm attracted to that one. We got the best pizzeria, that's what they call it back there. Another little gift store. Closed, will reopen soon. Well, that's a bummer. Mikey's gonna get a hot dog here. Today's not the day. Hot diggity dog, check them out. Is it the oldest restaurant in...
I think it is, yeah.
Look at that.
Gatlinburg.
Oh, it says it right there. I knew that from knowledge, okay? I heard they're really good here.
Steak for two.
I'm not sharing my steak. Our first trip to Gatlinburg, our first day in Gatlinburg was awesome.
It was awesome.
I survived-ish.
We did so much cool stuff and we're gonna be back to do more.
So thank you for watching Lolly Lamb.
Subscribe, like, comment, and of course ring the ding-a-linger as always.
And we'll see you in the next adventure here in the Smoky Mountains.
Thanks guys. me do a picture.
Wait, come over here. There we go, there we go. Oh my god, this battery's almost dead already. We're filming a lot. Hi Mickey, wrong state.
Minimal. Minimal. Drop a clip of the minimal, guys.
We got it, you need it, you'll find it. It's just like a minimal. Hey.
It's upstairs. Mikey wants to go in the ladies' store up there. Yeah. They are open here on the road here. It's like a window to get your edibles here. I don't trust that.
I would eat a hot dog.
So if you need or you crave a random hot dog, it's, oh my, I think that's sausage, isn't it? Why must I be full? There's a few chunky monkey. Wait, this is called chocolate monkey, not chunky monkey, right?
Chocolate monkey.
Oh, he is serious about holding on to his cheddar. Wait, where are the pigeons? Where are the pigeons? We're in New York City now. We just transported to New York City. We just need someone to honk some horns. Somebody honk.
There's the police. Definitely here.
There's the police. Gatlinburg wine cellar. Axe throwing and Cupid's outlet. I'm very confused by all the adult stores.
We gotta go.
Babe.
Shortbread was good.
Let's go make a little box. A box. A box.
I like that Chicken Hut has hot dogs though.
Chicken Hut doesn't care about chicken except for wings, it says. I don't know.
That sign in your window.
Oh my god. Now we're back over by Ripley's. What is that called? What is that called?
Ripley's, believe it or
No,
not.
what is that called?
Space needle.
A cookie jar? I thought it was a marshmallow too. Does he want to hug me? Do you want to hug me?